Here you can see all the parts you have received as a DIY kit along with necessary instruments. The case, the mid plate, the switch consisting of 3 parts, 4 doors, 2 flippers, the blade, the gear wheel, the pin, the hook, 2 wrenches, the design plate, the back plate, the bridge, 6 screws, blade cover, some rubber bands, a thread, forceps, super glue, scissors, and the screwdriver. First, assemble the blade. Apply some super glue to the blade cover. And then mount the blade cover onto the blade. Press the parts together until they stick. Cut the small pieces of pattern material which came with the box. Now put the doors into the slots of the case. Put the pieces of pattern material between the doors and the walls of the case. The padding material should work like a spring. Put the blade into the case. Mount the bridge. First of all, glue the metal parts to the plastic core. Now insert the flippers. The flippers should move freely in the slots. Apply the rubber band to the switch according to the video. Do the same with the other side. Check out if the switch moves freely inside the case. If not, apply some sanding. Attach the gear wheel to the mid plate using the metal pin. Now mount the wrenches. It is highly recommended to use some lubricant, as for example machine oil, to lower the friction between the parts. Note that the parts of your DIY kit have already been oiled, but if you experience some problems, do that again yourself. Mount the meat plate onto the case. Be careful to position the ridges in the right way. Now secure the meat plate using 2 screws. At this point you can check the performance of the blade. Note that it might take several attempts to make the blade go out and back in again smoothly. Take the thread and fold it in two. Insert the thread into the frontal hole of the hook.
Let me help you understand. Before we have a problem, I will take you there. When it comes to my man, please don't be someone. Surgery is a holiday, and urge is an anniversary.
Now pull the end out. Insert the end into the other hole until it emerges from the front hole. After you successfully have 4 lines sticking out of the front hole, make a knot to secure the lines. Now take a rubber band and cut it. Make a pointy end. Insert the end into the back hole of the hook. Wrap the rubber band around 2 fingers and make a knot. Cut the ends. Install the hook. First of all, insert the thread into the frontal hole of the meat plate. Now secure the rubber band in the slot according to the video. Now carefully attach the back plate. Check if the hook is able to move. Secure the back plate on the case using 2 screws.
Go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs.
Now you can check if the blade is working correctly. If it does, apply the rest of the screws. Using the glue, apply the design plate.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger?